Alex Schlagel, Drift HQ, Achilles Radial, 240SX, S13. And here comes Schlagel. Initiate 3, 2, 1. Boom, locks it in. Now going to transition out to that touch and go using all the course. Well done. Doesn't get all the way out there. Now brings it around. And then into that outside zone. Could definitely throw some more angle out. Let's see how he whips it in. Well played against the wall and then into that final front clip. And right on it. So right out of the gate, Schlagel, a solid run there, Ryan.
Yeah, he definitely was able to do something that not a lot of drivers were able to do very well in practice, and that's get to that outside zone and leave at the right time to hit that outside touch and go. He was able to fill that outside zone, then draw a really deep angle into that touch and go, back on throttle through that inside clip. And as you mentioned there, as he got to that second touch and go area, he was able to fill that pretty well and had a nice positioning of the vehicle through that final section of the course. Could have been a little bit deeper there on the final touch and go up against the wall, but nonetheless, he started off pretty well. Should be a good score.
Schlagel score coming in, and it's 76. A 76 there for Alex Schlagel. A 76 for Alex Schlagel.